10 healthy eating tips to strengthen their immune systems. The immune system is our body's natural defense mechanism, tirelessly working to keep us safe from illnesses and infections. However, like any other system, it needs proper nourishment to perform at its best. The food we eat plays a crucial role in building our immunity, and making smart dietary choices can significantly impact how well our body resists diseases. Imagine empowering your immune system with every bite you take, fueling it with nutrients, antioxidants, and vitamins to make it stronger and more resilient. Include more citrus fruits in your diet. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, limes, and grapefruits are packed with vitamin C, a nutrient vital for a strong immune system. Vitamin C increases the production of white blood cells, which are essential in fighting infections. This nutrient also acts as a powerful antioxidant, neutralizing harmful free radicals in the body that can weaken immunity over time. Whether you're sipping on freshly squeezed orange juice or adding a splash of lemon to your salads, incorporating citrus fruits into your meals can create a protective shield around your health. Moreover, these fruits are incredibly versatile and can be used in both sweet and savory dishes. From a zesty lemon vinaigrette to a refreshing grapefruit smoothie, the options are endless. Not only do they boost your immunity, but they'd also keep your skin glowing, thanks to their collagen-producing properties. Eating a variety of citrus fruits ensures that you receive a wide range of phytonutrients that enhance your body's defense mechanisms, making you less prone to catching seasonal illnesses. Incorporate leafy greens like spinach and kale. Leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are nutritional powerhouses. They're loaded with vitamins A, C, and E, along with an array of antioxidants and fiber. These nutrients work together to enhance the immune response and protect your body from harmful pathogens. The iron in spinach and kale helps in maintaining healthy red blood cells, which transport oxygen throughout the body, ensuring all your organs are well nourished. What's more, leafy greens contain compounds that boost the gut microbiome, a critical player in immunity. A healthy gut means a stronger immune system, as most of the body's immune cells reside there. Adding a generous portion of sauteed spinach to your meals or blending kale into a smoothie can be a delicious way to strengthen your immune system. For maximum benefit, pair these greens with a source of healthy fat, such as olive oil or avocado, to enhance the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. Eat more probiotic-rich foods. Probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, kimchi, sauerkraut, and kefir are excellent for maintaining a healthy gut. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria, and the good ones play a crucial role in regulating the immune system. Probiotics help balance the gut microbiome, ensuring that the harmful bacteria are kept in check while promoting the growth of beneficial microbes. This balance is essential for preventing inflammation and infections, which can compromise immunity. In addition to improving gut health, probiotics stimulate the production of natural antibodies and enhance the activity of white blood cells. Incorporating foods like Greek yogurt with live cultures or adding a side of kimchi to your meals can give your body the boost it needs. If you're not a fan of fermented foods, consider a high-quality probiotic supplement. Just make sure to consult with a healthcare provider to find the right one for you. Add garlic and ginger to your meals. Garlic and ginger are not only kitchen staples, but also potent immune-boosting ingredients. Garlic contains allicin, a sulfur compound that has been shown to fight infections and bacteria. It's a natural antibiotic, antifungal, and antiviral agent, making it a must-have for a strong immune system. Adding garlic to soups, stir-fries, or roasted vegetables can infuse your meals with a rich flavor while simultaneously enhancing your health. Ginger, on the other hand, is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It helps in reducing oxidative stress, a condition that weakens immunity. Ginger is also excellent for soothing a sore throat and combating nausea, making it a favorite remedy during cold and flu season. Fresh ginger tea or ginger-infused meals can be a comforting and helpful way to include this root in your diet. Include omega-3 fatty acids from fatty fish. Fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which play a significant role in reducing inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation can suppress the immune system, making it less effective in warding off infections. Omega-3 fatty acids enhance the function of immune cells, particularly white blood cells, ensuring they work efficiently. In addition to bolstering immunity, these fatty acids are also beneficial for brain health and cardiovascular function. Including at least 2 servings of fatty fish in your weekly diet can significantly improve your overall health. If you're not a fan of fish, consider plant-based sources of omega-3s, such as chia seeds, flax seeds, and walnuts. Stay hydrated with herbal teas and water. Proper hydration is often overlooked when it comes to immunity, but it's a cornerstone of good health. Water helps in flushing out toxins from the body, ensuring that your immune system can focus on fighting off infections. Herbal teas like green tea, chamomile, and ginger tea are excellent options, as they provide additional antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Drinking enough fluids also keeps your mucous membranes moist, which acts as a barrier against pathogens. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water daily and incorporate herbal teas for added benefits. Avoid sugary drinks as they can suppress immunity and contribute to inflammation. Snack on nuts and seeds for a nutrient boost. Nuts and seeds are small but mighty when it comes to strengthening your immune system. Almonds, walnuts, sunflower seeds, flax seeds, and pumpkin seeds are rich in essential nutrients like vitamin E, zinc, and healthy fats. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that helps combat oxidative stress, while zinc plays a critical role in the production and activation of immune cells. Snacking on a handful of mixed nuts and seeds not only keeps your hunger at bay, but also fortifies your body's defenses against illnesses. These nutrient-dense snacks are also high in protein, which is essential for repairing and building tissues, including those of the immune system. The healthy fats found in nuts and seeds further help in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K, amplifying their immune-boosting effects. Choose whole grains over refined carbs. Switching to whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, oats, and whole wheat bread can significantly improve your immune health. Unlike refined carbohydrates, which provide empty calories, whole grains are packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Fiber is particularly important as it supports gut health by feeding beneficial bacteria, which are essential for a well-functioning immune system. Additionally, whole grains are rich in B vitamins, which help the body convert food into energy and maintain the health of your cells. Consuming whole grains regularly also stabilizes blood sugar levels, preventing energy crashes that can weaken the immune response. A hearty bowl of oatmeal in the morning or a quinoa salad for lunch can be a delicious way to incorporate these grains into your diet. Use colorful vegetables to maximize nutrient intake. A rainbow-colored plate isn't just visually appealing, it's also a sign of a nutrient-packed meal. Vegetables like carrots, bell peppers, broccoli, sweet potatoes, and red cabbage are loaded with vitamins, antioxidants, and phytonutrients that bolster the immune system. For example, bell peppers are rich in vitamin C, while carrots provide beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A to maintain healthy skin and mucous membranes, your first line of defense against pathogens. Each color in vegetables represents a unique set of health benefits. For instance, green vegetables like broccoli are excellent sources of sulforaphane, a compound that boosts the production of detoxifying enzymes to the body. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day and I will see you in the next video.